Hi friends, welcome to Laxmates 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about if and if else function in Tableau. Let's get started. If function is one of the most useful decision making statements in Tableau. The if function tests the condition and depending upon the condition result, it will return the output. The Tableau if statement returns the result only if the given condition is true. Otherwise, it returns nothing. The syntax of if function is as follows. If expression, then true statement. End. So this is how the syntax of if function looks like. Now let's see and know about if else function in Tableau. This condition also tests for particular conditions. If the test condition in if is true, then the statement after the then keyword will be returned. If this is false, then the statement after else keyword is returned. The syntax of if else in Tableau is as follows. If expression, then true statement. That means if we provide a expression, be it logical or comparative, then it will return the true statement. Else, it will return the false statement and it will be closed with the end keyword. Let me open Tableau desktop and show you how to use if and if else function in Tableau. Let's get started. I have opened Tableau desktop application and I have taken sample superstore data and we have a sheet 1 visible over here. Now I'm going to build a simple report. So first of all, I'm going to columns first and then I'll explain the scenario and the condition clearly. First, I'm going to bring city and then customer name and profit. Now I have brought in two dimensions and a measure. Since it is continuous, it is displaying in a bar format. This is not visible because the values are very small. Let me change it to discrete so that we will be able to see the profit in the number format. Now that I have changed, let me explain the scenario. Now I want to see the profit which is greater than 0. Let's see. If you see here, we have negative values in the data as well as positive values. So I want to display only positive values as good profit, negative values as bad profit or bad performance. So let me create a calculated field and name it as if. First of all, I'm going to select if function and providing expression profit greater than 0. I'm using then keyword, then good performance. This is called true statement. Then I am providing end to close the if statement. So this is the if keyword and this is an expression. Next, we are using then keyword. Next, the true statement. And finally, we are using end to close the if statement. Now I am clicking on OK and bring if to text. Let me bring the fix if from text to here. Now we are able to see all the negative values are displaying as null and the positive value 6.63 is greater than 0. That's why it's displaying good performance. And 66.5408 is greater than 0. That's why it is displaying good performance. And you can clearly observe we have provided only statement for true condition. We didn't provide for false condition. That's why we didn't get anything over here. And when there is nothing like if condition returns only true values, that's why we got only good performance. Let me edit the calculation to explain you clearly. See, in the if condition, we have provided this expression and the true statement is good performance. That's why we are able to see good performance. Rest of them are displaying as null. So let me edit this calculation and provide else condition. Else bad performance. Now I'm clicking on apply and clicking on OK. As soon as I change the calculation and provide else statement, we are able to see the bad performance displayed over here. Let me edit the calculation again and see. This is called if else condition, and if we comment it out, I mean the else condition, if we comment it out, we will be able to see only if condition. So if condition returns only the value which is true. It won't return anything beyond that. So if we want something to be displayed for the failure condition as well, then we should provide something in the else part. That's when we use if else condition. So if we provide else condition and the false statement, we will be able to get true as well as false statements over here. This is how you can use if and if else statements in Tableau.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.